This is part 4 for advanced students with rhythmic dictation for week 3 with Little Sally Water. Your assignment is to watch video 1, which is me teaching the children Little Sally Water. I want you to learn that song by ear and hear it, and then what I want you to do without looking at the rhythmic dictation or notation for the older students, which is part 3, the intermediate students, I want you to figure out how to write the dictation for Little Sally Water. So what that means is that you can just take a plain piece of paper and a pen or marker, and you will hear Little Sally Water sitting in a saucer. And so I'll give you an example of the first measure. Little Sally. So we can figure out our beat, 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 beat. Little Sally, Little Sally. And I've been teaching the younger children how when we touch our shoulder, that's the downbeat, and when our hand floats up in the sky, that's the upbeat. So Little Sally. And we've been doing do day, and the younger children have learned that do day is those are eighth notes. So if we do Little Sally, that's do day, eighth note. So I would hear that, and you don't get to look at the music. So you need to hear that, and it's not going to maybe look perfect with all the bar lines, the time signature. Hopefully you can figure out the time signature. Notice that I do Little Sally Water, and so I know that it's a duple meter, right? Either 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, I'll give it to you for this song. It's 2/4 time, and remember we write that like this. So you have 2/4 time, and then all I expect for you to write is Little Sally, Little Sally. And then that's the end of the measure. And then water, water, do. So what would that be? That would be 2 quarter notes. Water. So this is the first short phrase in Little Sally Water. So Little Sally Water. And you can probably guess what the next one will be. Sitting in a saucer. Okay, so I've helped you with that. So your goal is to do that. Then, if you want to check yourself, go ahead and watch part 3, which is for the intermediate students. They're learning how to read the notation, and that'll give you your answers. And up at the top, if you go to the link for Little Sally Water Rhythm, that also will have the answer, or you can look on page 3 in your orange book, and that will show you the rhythm. So you don't need to worry about the notes this week. Just work on rhythm unless you are really good at this and you want to try to figure out which notes they are too, either actual notes on a staff or the solfege notes, depending on what level you are. So have fun with that challenge. Thanks.